Hello everyone! Today we're diving deep into the features and specifications of the Cubot KingKong 8, the rugged Android smartphone that promises to brighten up your nights. Unboxing the device, we're greeted with the KingKong 8 itself, accompanied by a USB cable, a PD18W charger, a cue card, a user manual, and a pin. With dimensions of 169.9 mm in height, 80.2 mm in width, and a thickness of 20 mm, it weighs in at a solid 382 dring. The phone boasts a 6.5 high 28-inch in-cell punch-hole display, with a resolution of 720x16:2. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate its 16-megapixel front camera, promising impressive photos and HD video recording. For those who juggle multiple SIMs, the phone offers space for 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card with a microSD card on the left. Network compatibility is extensive, supporting a range of GSM, WCDMA, FDD, and TDD bands. Volume controls are placed on the left, while the right side houses a unique button to activate 2 powerful flashlights. The power button doubles up with Touch ID functionality. The top of the device features 2 LEDs that can emit a blazing 5,000 lumens, ensuring you're never left in the dark. On the rear, we find a tri-camera setup with a 48-megapixel main lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 0.3-megapixel photosensitive lens. It supports 48-megapixel photos, HDR, and FHD video recording. Under the hood, the KingKong 8 is powered by the MT8788 VWA CPU and comes with 12 GB of memory, 6GB plus 6GB extended, and a massive 256 GB of storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB. Running on Android 13, the device offers Wi-Fi 2.4G 5G 802.111a BGN AC, USB Type-C, and BT 4.2 connectivity. For navigation, it supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. But what truly sets the KingKong 8 apart is its ultra-bright LED torch and its monstrous 10600 mAh battery. The LED torch ensures you can navigate any environment, while the battery promises endless hours of use on a single charge. For those interested in purchasing, the phone is priced at 232 €, but with a 48.48 euros AliExpress coupon, it comes down to 184 € for Europe. For our US audience, it's priced at $199.99. But with a $50 discount, you can grab it for just $149.99 excluding taxes. Check out the link in the description to buy the phone. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, sharing your thoughts on the Cubot KingKong 8.